Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to answer or reject calls with one tap in Samsung A16. If you are using A16 and you want to answer or reject your calls with just a single tap, so let's see how can you do this. Just open your settings app and here just scroll down and look for accessibility option. Tap on it, then tap on interaction and dexterity, and here just tap on assistant menu and you will get the option of replace swipe with single tap. Just enable that, and here you can easily read the description, which is respond to alarm alerts and incoming calls by tapping instead of swiping. So after doing enabling that setting, just go for your home screen. From here just open your phone call app, then tap on three dots in the top right corner, tap on settings. In settings just select answering and ending calls, and here you will get the option of gesture to answer call. Just tap on it, it will be swipe. You must have to select tab option, and after that you can easily answer or reject your calls with just a single tap. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.